Profile of Pancasila student. The profile of Pancasila student is in accordance with the vision and mission of the Ministry of Education and Culture as stated in the regulation of the Minister of Education and Culture number 22 of 200 concerning the Ministry of Education and Culture strategic plan for 2020 to 2024. Pancasila learns are the realization of Indonesian students as lifelong learners who have global competence and behave in accordance with the value of Pancasila. With the main characteristic of faith in God and noble character, fostering mutual cooperation, independence, critical reasoning, and creativity as shown on the following figure. Definition of Pancasila Learn Profile. The Pancasila Learn Profile is the character trait and competencies that learners are expected to achieve based on the noble value of Pancasila. Usefulness of the Pancasila Learn Profile. 1. Translating the goals and vision of education into a format that is more easily understood by all education stakeholders. 2. To get character development for Indonesian educators and learners. 3. The ultimate goal of all learning programs and activities in education unit. The Pancasila student profile has 6 dimensions and several elements in it. 1. Believing, fearing in God, and having noble character. Indonesian students maintain the noble culture, locality, and identity, and remain open-minded and interaction with other culture, thus fostering mutual respect so that positive character can develop and also the growth of positive noble culture that does not conflict with the noble culture of the nation. Element and key the global diversity include A. Religious moral, B. Personal moral, C. Moral to human, D. Moral to nature, and E. Moral of the state. 2. Global diversity. Element and key the global diversity include A. Recognize and appraise culture, B. Intercultural communication skill in interaction with others, and C. Reflection and responsibility for the experience of diversity. 3. Independent. Indonesian students are independent learners who take responsibility for their learning process and outcomes. The key element of independence consists of A. Awareness of self and situation, and B. Self-regulation. 4. Mutual cooperation. Indonesian students have the ability to work together which is the ability to the activity together voluntarily so that the activities carried out can run smoothly, easily, and likely. The element of are A. Collaboration, B. Caring, and C. Sharing. 5. Critical reasoning. A critical reasoning learning is able to objectively process both qualitative and quantitative information, establish links between different pieces of information, analyze information, evaluate, and conclude. The elements of critical reasoning are A. Acquiring and processing information and idea, B. Analyzing and evaluating reasoning, C. Reflection and thought processes, and E. Making decision. 6. Creative. Creative learners are able to modify and produce something original, meaningful, useful, and impactful. The key element of being creative consists of generating original idea and B. Producing original works and action. As Ki Hajar Dewantara once said, every person becomes a teacher, every home becomes a school.